hungry but short on cash. Did you know you can actually use your EBT card on Uber Eats in some states to get groceries and even certain meals delivered right to your door? Let me show you how. First, open your Uber Eats app and tap the account icon, usually located in the bottom right corner. Then, find and select the wallet option. Here, you'll see your current payment methods. Tap Add Payment Method to proceed. From the available options, you need to find and select EBT card. It might also be labeled as Snap. Now, carefully enter your EBT card information. This includes your full EBT card number, the expiration date, and possibly your zip code. Make sure all the information is correct to avoid any issues. Double-check that your EBT card has been successfully added to your account. Look for the EBT logo in your wallet, and then find a grocery store near you that says EBT accepted. Start shopping. Remember that you can only purchase eligible items with your EBT card. Typically, this includes things like groceries and produce. Add your desired items to your cart. When you're ready to check out, make sure your EBT card is selected as the payment method. Review your order, confirm your address, and then place your order. Uber Eats will let you know if any items in your cart aren't eligible, and you may need to use a different payment method for those. Enjoy.